welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing my recent purchase of the Coach Pillow Tabby 18 in Ombre. This is the mini Pillow Tabby and I fell in love with it because of the fun color. I picked it up in the pale pistachio color, which is a beautiful combination of pastel green, pink, and purple. I especially love this colorway because it comes with silver hardware. Guys, check out how beautiful these ombre colors look on the detachable strap. The Pillow Tabby is made out of Napa leather and features a snap closure. It also has a detachable and adjustable additional strap. In addition to the winning color combo, the reason I was sold on this bag was the price. This bag is currently on super sale for about $200, which is amazing because the retail price is $450. This will definitely sell out fast, especially at this price point. I will have all the links below for you to check it out. I already have a full in-depth review of the Pillow Tabby on my channel. I will make sure I'll link that as well. I featured the Pillow Tabby in a giveaway back in spring 2021. So if you're interested in more information on this bag, check out the full review. So let's see what fits in the Pillow Tabby. Here are some of my essentials, and let's pack up the bag and see what fits inside. Definitely a tight fit, and I don't have my keys or my phone in here yet, so I will have to probably take some items out. So here are a few mod shots so you guys can see what the bag looks like on me. That's it though for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys.